So the next one in today's video is a duck. I think that's my favorite in today's video. Just look at those expressions. These are the expressions of all of us when it's Monday. Cause it's like, oh god, it's Monday again. Don't you think it's the same expressions? Yeah, so this is it. And this is really my personal favorite. So the duck is also done. And look at the end part. It's so good, yeah. I really wanted this type of duck in my house. I'll just draw it and keep it. Now the next one in today's video is, what do you think it is? Okay, it is a furious lion. No. What do you think it is then? It's a fox. Okay, it is a fox only. I think it's going somewhere for a grocery shopping or something. Okay, do you go like, you never seen a fox for a so you can see it today if you have never seen a fox going for a shopping. Okay, so you have seen it today. You'll never say that I've never seen a fox going for a shopping. Okay, so it's done. So the next one in today's video is what do you think it is? Okay, it's a whale. By that tail only you can say it's so cute. Okay, so it's a whale, and the best part is obviously the coloring part. So whales are always blue, so we are just gonna color them with blue color, and water is also blue. Who doesn't know it? So okay, now the water is again blue and almost done, I guess. What do you think? Anything left? Yeah, you're right. That cute little blush on the cheek is obviously it.